Evening guys, Stevie here. Tonight I'm going to be tying a black and silver cormorant, and in the vise I've got the Fario Wetfly hook size 10, the barbless black nickel, and the thread I'll be using is UTC black and number 70. So let's get started. Run a bed of thread down the hook. Just take it down to where the barb would be, normally be. Cut off the waist, and for the rib I've got silver mylar medium, this is number 14. So just bring the thread back up the body, touching turns. So you bring the silver up, just leave a small gap as if it's a black rib. Try and keep it as even as you can. That's quite good there. I find this mylar quite robust. I've not had one busting on me yet, so I don't usually treat them, but it's up to yourself. You want to put a resin on them, a wire rib up them, it's entirely up to yourself, but I don't particularly bother. So just tie that down. And for the wing, just black marabou, just the normal for the cormorant. So just take a bit of, maybe just under an inch worth of marabou. And just tie this in, 1, 2, 3, and just trim it off with a sharp pair of scissors. Just tidy up and pinch at the back, just use your index finger and your thumb. There we go there. And I have two jungle cock splits, so I'll tie these in, just pair them up. Just check that. I'll go back again. That's it, back in again, hold them tight. That's better. So if they're not right, you can always go back, trim off the waist, and just tidy up. Just go to the eye of the hook, just work your way back up. And whip finish. So this is a little cormorant I do well with absolutely everywhere. You can fish it in any line you want. It's good in the washing line, it's good straight lining, fish it in between blobs, boobies, whatever you want. It's really good. It's my go-to cormorant when I'm down at Rutland with angling water. The Lake of Menteith. It fishes really well, most places. Just a touch of varnish. There we go. So you can tie them with a red head and that as well if you want, know what I mean, but I find the black head, the way that I've tied this, that's my favourite one. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that, and remember to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, it's all good for me. So cheers, and I'll catch you on the next one.